Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of project management tools out there? Asana, with its sleek interface and powerful features, has become a popular choice for many. But is it as user-friendly as it seems? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Asana to answer the burning question. Is Asana difficult to learn? Relate to the audience. Let's face it, we all have projects to manage. Whether it's a personal side hustle, a team project at work, or even planning a family vacation, having a tool that can streamline the process is invaluable. Asana promises to be that tool. But before you jump in and start creating tasks and projects, it's important to understand the learning curve. Addressing common concerns. Fear of the unknown. One of the biggest concerns people have when trying a new tool is the fear of the unknown. They worry that they'll be spending hours poring over manuals and tutorials just to figure out the basics. So, let's address that right away. Is Asana complicated to use? Intuitive interface. The short answer is no. Asana is not complicated to use. In fact, it's designed to be intuitive. The interface is clean and uncluttered, making it easy to find your way around. Plus, the basic functionalities are straightforward and easy to understand. Learning curve. While the basics are easy to grasp, there's a learning curve when it comes to utilizing Asana's more advanced features. For example, understanding how to use custom fields, automation rules, and integrations with other tools might take some time. But don't let that deter you. The good news is that Asana offers plenty of resources to help you along the way. Key features and their ease of use. Tasks and projects. Let's start with the core functionalities. Creating tasks and projects. This is as simple as clicking a few buttons. You can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add comments. It's a straightforward process that even beginners can grasp quickly. Custom fields and automation. Now let's talk about the more advanced features. Custom fields allow you to create specific data points for your tasks and projects. For example, you could create a custom field for priority or status. While it might take a bit of time to set up, once you have them in place, they can be incredibly helpful for organizing your work. Automation rules, on the other hand, can save you time by automatically assigning tasks, updating statuses, and more. These features might require a bit more learning, but they can be a game changer once you get the hang of them. Integrations. Asana integrates with a wide range of other tools, including email, calendar, and project management software. This can be a huge time saver, as it allows you to keep all your work in one place. However, setting up these integrations might require some technical know-how. Tips for learning Asana quickly. Start small. The best way to learn Asana is to start small. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Begin by creating a few simple projects and tasks. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can gradually add more complexity. Utilize the resources. Asana offers a wealth of resources to help you learn. There are tutorials, help articles, and even a community forum where you can connect with other users. Take advantage of these resources to get the most out of Asana. Practice makes perfect. Like anything else, learning Asana takes practice. The more you use it, the better you'll become at it. So, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. So, is Asana difficult to learn? The answer is, it depends. The basics are easy to grasp, but mastering the more advanced features might take some time and effort. However, with a little patience and practice, you can become a Asana pro. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect, but to use Asana as a tool to help you manage your projects more efficiently. If you're ready to give Asana a try, I encourage you to sign up for a free account and start exploring. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.